Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML input attributes. And right now we'll be discussing about the title and the pattern attribute in HTML input element. The title and the pattern attribute, we are going to use it together just to form something sensitive. So quickly, let's just get started. The input pattern attribute specifies a regular expression that the input field's value is checked against when the form is submitted. So the global title attribute describes the pattern to help the user, just to help the user. That's why we are using this title attributes. So let me show you how this works quickly. As you can see right here, an input field that can contain only 3 letters is what we are having right here, no numbers or special characters. So I'm going to show you how this works right here. We are going to do it in our own way. I've did it in some previous tutorial, but I forgot to add something. That's why I'm trying to bring it up again now. So quickly, let me show you how this works now. So I forgot to add the title attribute that time when I did this. You can watch our previous tutorial where I discussed about the pattern attributes in details. So right here, I'm just here for the title attribute specifically, just to explain how it works quickly. So back to our tutorial. Right here, let's write label. Inside here, we need something. So let's go and copy the name, the title we need right here. We are using this, right? So let me just let me copy this so you can understand what I'm saying. Let me specify it here. We need title, and we are talking about title and pattern, right? So title and pattern attribute. Let me just clear this a little so you can need, and also place this here and here. Also, let's this is just for decoration. As you all know, this one is our label, just to make our button look sensitive and look to be readable. So again, let's give it an input. We are using this, everything we are doing right now, we are using it with our input type of text, don't you forget. So right here, let's quickly create a title. The title, what we want the title to say to our user is that enter three, let's just say three letters, needed. Let's just say letters needed. Let's just say 3 letters needed. So let's whatever we write inside this our title attribute is what is going to display to our user whenever they are typing anything inside our input. So I'm going to show you. Let's now create a pattern, the pattern that we want them to follow. So right here, let me break all this so it can look neat for you guys, so you can see what I'm doing. Right here, you can break everything like this so everything can look neat. The one you will know, the one we are using, the one we are not using. As you all see now, we are using this our type of input type of text. Inside here we are specifying all these things and all this pattern also. So quickly, let's give it a pattern. Don't forget, in our previous tutorial I discussed about pattern. To create a pattern, the type of pattern you want, you are going to specify inside this square bracket. So quickly, let's create a pattern. We need just A to Z, but let's say A to Z. We need anything from A to Z. They can specify anything from capital letter A to capital letter Z. So let's leave it in that manner. And also to direct them how they are going to bring it out, we need just three of it, 3 letters out of the A to Z. They can, from A, B, C to Z, they can only specify 3 letters at once. So let's just say we need 3. Let's save our document. We need 3. We need 3 of A to Z. We need 3 of it inside our input text here. That's why we are specifying this 3. So that's why we are telling them that 3 letters, 3-letter needed. Let's just leave it 3-letter needed in this manner. So let's reload our document to see what will happen. I've reloaded my document. As you can see, we are having this in our previous that's why it's automatically open. So let's say I write USA, right? Let's write USA like this. It will go, because this is 3-letter. Well, let's press enter. Can you see it's going, right? Let's say, and now say we are specifying small letter 1 let's use USA in small letter. Let's send it. It will not go. Can you see it's now saying 3-letter needed? So let's change this. They will say 3 letters needed, 3-letter needed in cap in capital letter. We need 3 capital letter. 3 capital letter needed. 3 capital letters needed. 3 capital letter needed. So now let's press enter again. Can you see? It's saying 3 capital letter needed. You understand? So now the person will be able to do what? The person will be able to, as you can see, it's pop up again. Is it 3 capital letter needed? So the person will be able to use USA capital letter. So and the person can send the document and it will go. But if the person say I want to do somewhere, you put small letter, it will never go. And also, let's say the person, I'm from Nigeria, I'm here in Nigeria, I'm in Yoruba. So now let's say the person is trying to use NG, it will not go, even if it use capital letter NG, because the Nigeria is 3, is 2. NG is for Nigeria and is 2, it will not go. Or else we change our value right here to what? To our value right here to 2. Let's say we give it 2. Let's reload our document. Let's send it now. It will go. Can you see? But when we specify USA now, USA, is it that capital letter or small letter? Let's use capital letter. USA, when we send it, it will not go. It's saying that 3 capital letter. This one now is strong. Definitely you have to change it when you change it here, so that the value, the title right here can match with the pattern. So just to not to mislead your client. So let's reload our document. Let's send it again. Can you see now? It's saying that 2 capital letter needed. So now when we put NG, now when we press enter, it will go. As you can see, it's working perfectly. So this is what I want to share. And again, don't you forget, if you want to specify small letter, you cannot specify small letter here now, but now you can specify small letter when I give it A to Z in small letter again. So now is either A to Z in capital letter or A to Z in small letter. We can take 2 of it. Can you see? When I press enter using capital letter, when I press enter using small letter also, it's working because I specified the A to Z in small letter also. So I've discussed about pattern in our previous tutorial. You can check it. So I think we are done for now. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time in the next tutorial. Have a